Welcome to Dr. S.N.S. Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. Warm greetings from SNS family. This is Dr. J. Vijayalakshmi, Department of Commerce with Computer Applications. So, in this video, we are going to see about objectives of OB, organizational behavior. So, OB are to be a very important and it is a plays a very efficient workplace culture. OB studies how the people behave at work and how to improve their interactions, job satisfaction, and productivity. We'll see the major objectives of OB. Improves the communications. So, how the OB will improve the communications? Encourages the open and effective communication between employees and management. It develops the leadership, identifies and it is a very effective leadership qualities in employees. It resolves conflicts, analyzes interpersonal relationship to identify and resolve conflicts, manage change, understand employee response to change like technological advancement or restructuring, encourages teamwork, understand group dynamics to build a team, and improves the job satisfaction, understand what factor motivate employee to perform better, increases productivity, understand how to improve the employee performance, create a good work environment, maintain an environment that favorable for work. So scope of a OB focuses on individual behavior, group dynamics, organizational structure, and external environment factors. It examines how these factors influence the performance. So, OB is a crucial in a business management as it directly impacts employee performance, productivity, well-being, and work environment. So we'll see now how organization behavior helps in maintaining the good relation within between the employees. Modern business are drives and brings together people from the various social and economic backgrounds. They are also categorized by the workforces. Some of these employees may come from the different cultures and it is a different workforces. Therefore, it is essential to understand the behavior pattern of the employee and how they affects and functioning of the organization, and this is where organization behavior comes in. So, what is organization behavior? Is a study of individual and group behavior in a workplace and their impact on the productivity and profitability. That's it. The main concept is it is a study of individual and group of behavior in the workplace and it is focuses on productivity and the profitability. In simple, we can say that. So the organization behavior closely analyzes the personal characteristics like educational history, economic, cultural background of an individual, determines their behavior specific situations. They aims to get intellectuals and emotional towards the people understanding their reactions. So this study behavior within the organization. Organization behavior studies how employee interact with each other while working and how people attributes influences their work environment behavior within the organization. It designs an individual social positioning and monitors their behavior patterns while working in the group of people. So study in this study, organizational behavior studies the impact of the personality, threats, culture, education, background, and of the organization's employee on the productivity of the organization. It also studies how the organization influences behavior patterns of the employee to bring about a change in the people, attitudes, values, behavior of the increase the organization productivity. These are all the major focuses on the objectives of the organization behavior. Thank you.